The CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus rotisserie has been a game-changer in my kitchen. I love how versatile this appliance is. It air fries, roasts, bakes, and even functions as a rotisserie. The digital display is intuitive and makes it incredibly easy to set the temperature and cooking time. The rapid air technology delivers crispy and delicious results without the need for excessive oil, making meals healthier without sacrificing taste. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its non-stick interior. It's compact yet spacious enough to prepare meals for my whole family. Highly recommend it for anyone looking to simplify cooking and eat healthier. I can't believe how much I use the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus rotisserie. The rotisserie function is outstanding and gives restaurant-quality results right at home. The air fryer is equally impressive. Fries come out crispy and perfectly golden every time. I've tried baking desserts in it too, and they turn out amazing. The build quality is excellent, and the sleek design fits beautifully in my kitchen. It's also super easy to clean, which is a huge plus. If you're looking for an appliance that does it all, this is it. This air fryer is a must-have for busy families or anyone who loves quick, healthy meals. The CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus rotisserie offers so many cooking options, and the results are always fantastic. I especially love the rotisserie. It's perfect for cooking chicken that's juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. The cooking presets make it foolproof, even for a beginner. Plus, it's much faster than a traditional oven, saving me time in the kitchen. I highly recommend it to anyone wanting a reliable and versatile cooking appliance. The CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus rotisserie exceeded all my expectations. It's incredibly versatile and has made cooking so much more enjoyable. I love the rotisserie feature. It's perfect for preparing flavorful and tender meats. The air fryer function is amazing for healthier versions of fried foods, and everything cooks evenly and quickly. The digital touchscreen is simple to navigate, and the removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. It's a stylish, high-quality addition to my kitchen that I'd recommend to anyone.